Alrighty, Nicole, hopefully I pronounced that correctly. It's from over the seas, I think. Here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. Got our set of our new 220S CNC cylinder heads. Got the Brodix castings. Borla, all blacked out. Custom designed hydraulic roller. Got the period correct Aviaid Oil Pan. We're going to make a run, see what it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 474 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 552. Peak horsepower 601, rated for 575. So really that's the Borla in our new cylinder head. Everything runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno video, things of that nature, a lot of tech stuff. Really recommend plugging it in, watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have some other specs and an engine number. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, got a QR code. There again, it'll take you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this. It'll make your installation a lot better. Have a great day.